Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to solve the problem of having this like I tried to this error which says expecting a member declaration. So this comes after when we try to go to our, which we could call our Java and try to code in, but now the problem is we see this error, not knowing that we did develop in Kotlin instead of developing in Java. So when you're starting your web your web project, that's when the problem came from. So I created my my Android app, but now the thing is like I was not aware cause that this thing gives you the option, you know, when you just install something and you want to start on a project, to just click next without trying to see how things are. So I used to develop some simple apps in Java before and Android, but now, as you know, things changed. That Google has an official language called Kotlin, whereby people have to develop using Kotlin, but it's not by force. You can switch on between the two, but the only reason is Google, they don't want to depend much on Java because Java don't depend on them. So they want to force people all to introduce this language to people to use it instead of using Java. So it's been said that this language is a little bit easier, but now it's a problem because you don't know the language and you don't want to spend a lot of time learning a new language, yet you know a language where you can develop after then you can look into learning a new language. So we wanna just look into all the options people are advised on. So if you find something like this, it's important to developing Kotlin, so what don't do, you have to go to then we're gonna abandon that project for now. If they can really fix in future, maybe you can do that fix, but now we're gonna abandon that and you say new project. After getting a new project, we can choose any activity you want to use. When I choose any activity I want to use, then I'm gonna choose this. Choosing a basic activity. If you haven't done much, this could be the solution. So this is where the problem comes from. Select Java simply means you're gonna be developing in Java. So select that. After selecting that, then we're done with the new project. I'm sure it's loading. It's loading. We want to see some stuff here. You know Android, how it behaves. It's taking a little bit It's taking longer, but it's gonna work. Waiting for build to finish. It's gonna finish quick. Soon we're gonna be there. We're gonna be there. It's gonna finish, you know, Android how it is, but it's gonna finish. Then we see our stuff. How is it gonna go? After building here, then we're gonna do some stuff. Then we see, yeah, okay. I'm sure we are fine, guys. Yes, we are fine. So we in this app here. Then we want to do some stuff. We can go to Java, our Java. We're gonna go somewhere here. Let's see. You can see that our main activity now is Java. You can see it. The main activity is what? Main activity.java. So if we wanna do stuff here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our, we should go to the, let me see, test.java. No, we don't want this. We wanna go to our app and see, yes, here. Then here we're gonna try to give some permissions, whereby we're gonna say uses permission. Okay, test that. So internet, yeah, this is what we're gonna do, internet. Then we close this. Okay, we're done with that. So after doing that, okay, that's cool. Okay, so here we're going to go here. If I'm not mistaken, we should be in the thing we're looking for. Let me get you there. We want to put I think I should eliminate. I don't want any confusion here. The only thing we're supposed to do is to get the what? Get the, let me see, go to XML fragment dot. Okay, it's fine. Okay, what we need to get we need to get what they call we need to get, our app is working now, but there's something I wanted you to see. I wanted to declare something here. Okay, button widgets. Okay, if we go to widgets, we get a web view. We put a web view here. Okay, After putting the web view, what we're gonna do, we select our web view, then we go to height. None that we should say. Okay, we say we're gonna look for parent. Yeah, match parent. Okay, also we're gonna say match the parent. Okay, we see the height and the width should be like that. So after doing that, we're good to go. So now the only thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our Java. Remember this folder, that's where we get our problem. We get the main activity.java, whereby we're going to declare our web view, which is going to be private. Then we say web view, okay, which is that space my web view. Okay, then we put a semicolon, then tells us private, said not allowed here. Wonder why it's saying that. Okay, we can leave it like this. You see, we don't see that error, the one we saw before in Kotlin. So we're gonna do other stuff here also. We're gonna take my web view here, gonna copy that, and I put it here. Okay, then after putting it there, I say equals to and close and say web view. No, let me see. Say web view. Get the exact web view here, which is gonna be this, and put it here. Okay, say gonna say dot web view. We're gonna say dot the find. We're gonna say findViewById. Okay, we take that findViewById, then we come inside here, say rt. We're gonna say r dot, it's gonna be dot id. Okay, then dot my, it's gonna be my web view. Dot web view. Web view. Okay, once we're done with that, we're gonna put this. Okay, then that line, we're done with that line. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and say the second line and say web, it's gonna be capital web, web settings. It's gonna be web, or not, it's gonna be web settings. Okay, web settings space web set. Okay, space web. It's gonna be web settings space web yeah, settings. Okay, after that, then we say we're gonna give it a what, a space here. You can give it a space, and we say equals to my web view. It's gonna be my web view, this one. Where's my web view? This is my web view. We copy that my web view, we put it here. After putting it there, then we say dot get settings. Okay, that's the first one. We take that, then we put okay. Then the third line, we're gonna go and say third line, we can go and say at least it's gonna be what can we do? Let me still remember the third line. We're gonna say web settings dot set JavaScript, yes, enabled. What we're gonna go, we're gonna get this one which say web settings. Okay, web settings dot set JavaScript, set JavaScript enabled. We take the second one. Okay, after setting the second one, then we set it to true. Once we set it to true, we say okay, that's fine. We go down here. Okay, I'm sorry, we go down here. That's when we're gonna do what? We're gonna put our URL. When we're gonna say web, my web, it's gonna be my web, it's gonna be my web settings, gonna be my web view dot load URL. I'm sure it's gonna be URL dot URL. Then you put in the string of the URL which you want to go to. For instance, my URL is gonna be HTTPS, then you say colon, then you say / you put in the URL you want to put in. Okay, www.googleboy.co.za. so that's the URL I want to put. So after that, I think this should be web view. Okay, web view. So I guess that's gonna work. It's gonna be the ID. Okay, what does it say? It complains here. So let me take the big wide web. Okay, I don't get that. Okay, that's fine. Let me see the warning here. So click to press Alt Enter. Okay, guys, I think this is done. Remember that the thing we had in okay, this is the main activity. So we find some small error here, but that shouldn't be an issue for us. Okay, error found, warnings found, type okay. Okay, let me see this. Okay, web view. It doesn't have to be like that. Clean code. Okay. But we have to cast it on that. Though it's giving us some problem, but we have to cast it on that. So let me see if it should be casted first. No, what we're gonna do here, the only thing we wanted to eliminate is that the problem you did, the major issue you did was to not select the language. You selected a wrong language, so that is not a major problem anymore. So now you've seen we cannot find any problems here. You get me? That's the reason why we say we managed to fix this error like that. So here we have to cast that web view dot find. It's gonna be web view. Okay, it should be a big word, capital letter here. It's gonna be view, yes. No. Okay, that should work for us. Yes, now we managed to fix that. Yeah, no, guys, the only reason why you were having this problem is that you used Kotlin instead of Java. So we might have some other errors which we haven't fixed, but that error is going to be done. So try to abandon your old application, then you create a new app, but you select Kotlin instead of using Java. So that's when you're gonna manage to overcome this problem. So guys, I hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Still have to fix a lot of errors here, but that's not a problem. Your issue is fixed, because if we can go to the old app, it will show you what was going on. It was giving us a problem here. Guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.